Hello everybody, it's Sanna here today. I thought I'd share with you my projects created with the August Wild Hare Kits Deluxe kit. And let's start with the first one. So this is what I've done, what I've created with my kit, and then I will share with you all the bits and pieces that are left over, so you can get an idea how much you can make from one kit. This was my first layout. This white paper was not on the kit. I used cardstock from my own stash, but everything else on this layout is from the kit. And this one is the second one. And here also the spray ink and the white paper is from my own stash, but everything else is in the kit. This is the third layout, everything except for the white paper again from the kit. And this one is my fourth, fourth layout, and everything here is from the kit except for these alphas, because I didn't have any alphas in my kit. And then this one is my, I don't know, fifth? Was this number five? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is number 5, and everything is from the kit except for the acrylic paint and this paper. This is a leftover piece from my January guest design team kit for the Wild Hare kits, and I used it here because I thought it works well with this kit too. This one is my 6th layout. This is smaller in size, and also again here everything else is from the kit except for the inks and the alphas and the white paper on the background. And then for my 6th layout, here basically everything is from the kit except for the ink colors and the date stamp, that's from my own stash. So it's a total of 6 layouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, sorry, 7 layouts from one kit. And then I also created a set of cards. So this one, and this one. So this is all I got out of my kit, and I still have quite a little bit of paper left, so I could have done the 7th or 8th layout too, but I decided to save the papers because I can combine them with the kits to come. So now I'll be sharing with you what's left. So that's quite a pile for one deluxe kit, I think. In my opinion, that's a lot. And so there's a lot of value for your money in the kit. Okay, and these are the things that are left over. So basically a bit of this paper, which honestly I've been saving because I like it so much. I've just used bits and pieces here and there. Then a little bit from this paper. This is the Flower Market paper embroidery hoops, and this one is also from the Flower Market collection, and this one was called Floral. And then some of the specialty paper because I wanted to save a little bits. This is from Maggie Holmes, and this is the Sunny Days collection. That's left over. And then let's see what else. Just a few squares from the Squares paper, also from Flower Market. Just really tiny bits of the Pink Fresh. I saved everything, also these tiny pieces, because I thought I can use them later on something. And here a few squares still. Oh, there's a thank you note. Then I think there are like 4 pieces of the ephemera left over. Then I have like, I don't know, 5 stars or something like that here from Bramble Fox. I love these. And then of course the stamp. And where's the stencil? I've also got the stencil, but I think I've used it. So yeah, it's here. So the stencil will be usable for other kits to come, so these will go a long way. And all these bits and pieces I will use on my next, combine some pieces with my next kits to come. Okay, so that's August wrap up of what I did with my kit, and soon you can watch my unboxing video. It's a little bit late this month because the Austrian customs apparently liked to take a better look on my kit, so I had to pay some custom fees, and they held it for like 2 weeks at the customs before they released it, so I only got it today. So I will be recording the unboxing video next, and then you can watch what's inside my September kit. I'm really excited to see what I got in my kits this time, and what I get to play with. And I really loved this August kit, and I'm excited to see if the September kit is different in colors, and we'll see. So that's it. That was my August project wrap up. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.